Ball of foot pain like neuromas, metatarsalgia, sesamoiditis can be very painful, but our insoles come with some built-in metatarsal support and they're also very soft and cushioned. The nice thing about these insoles is that you can use the gel ramps to offload more pressure from your metatarsal heads. So they go from thinner to thicker and they drop off right before your metatarsal heads. So the goal for you will be to figure out, where does it hurt? Is it hurting up here? Is it hurting back here? And once you figure out where that is, you want to get this ramp to drop off right before your pain point to somewhat suspend the bones and offload pressure. If you'd like to, you can take a pen and mark that spot so that if you ever need to move it, you'll know exactly where to place it again. So we have a marking right here to guide you to where to place them. However, you have the choice to customize it and move it slightly forward or slightly backward, depending upon where you need to offload pressure most. You will just peel off the film on the back, and it will be sticky on the back side, and then you can stick that down exactly where you need it. Let's say you have multiple foot issues going on. You can always purchase an extra set of gel ramps. These come with 2 pair or 4 ramps, and you can place them in multiple positions. This would be an example of placing it for ball of foot pain and extra arch support. If you end up with any extra pairs of ramps, then there's no need to let them go to waste. You can add them directly to a pair of sandals or shoes to help get extra metatarsal relief, or you could add them to a pair of shoe liners that came out of one of your shoes and place them as needed. If the gel ramps end up getting dirty and less sticky, you can simply rinse them under water, scrub the dirt off, set them out to air dry, and the adhesive will renew so that you can use them again.